In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your Depop balance to your PayPal balance. To begin, open Google Chrome and go to depop.com, then sign into your account. Once you're logged in, it's important to understand how this process works before moving forward. Depop balance, which comes from Depop payments, cannot be sent directly to PayPal. Instead, the money has to be paid out to your linked bank account first. That means this is a two-part process. First from Depop to your bank, and then from your bank to PayPal. After logging in, go to your profile and open your Selling Hub. From there, click on Payments. This is where you can review your payout details and make sure everything is set up correctly. Take a moment here to confirm that your active bank account is linked. This step matters because your Depop balance can only be cashed out to the bank account connected to your account. If the correct bank account is already active, you're good to continue. Once that's confirmed, the next thing to know is that the transfer from Depop does not happen instantly. You'll need to wait for Depop to automatically deposit the available balance into your bank account. In most cases, this takes around 2 to 3 business days. If you're doing this for the first time, it may help to keep an eye on your bank activity so you can tell when the funds arrive. Just remember that weekends and bank holidays can sometimes affect timing. After the money has reached your bank account, open a new tab in Chrome and log into your PayPal account. When you're inside PayPal, look for the Add Money option. This is the feature that allows you to move funds from your linked bank account into your PayPal balance. Select the option to add money from your bank, then choose the bank account that received the Depop payout. Enter the amount you want to transfer and follow the prompts to complete it. Make sure the cash has fully arrived in your bank before trying to add it to PayPal. Otherwise, the transfer may not go through as expected. And that's it. The key thing to remember is that Depop doesn't send funds straight to PayPal, so your linked bank account acts as the bridge between the two. If you follow this process in order, you'll be able to move your Depop earnings into your PayPal balance without confusion.